7:08, as we mark Women's History Month, the focus is not just on how far women have come, but where progress is still falling short. I spoke with Maryland Senator Angela Alsobrooks to talk about the challenges women are still facing, from health disparities to economic setbacks, and how decisions happening right now in Washington could have lasting consequences. Women's History Month is about progress, where we've been, where we're going. I'm curious, though, where do you think the country is maybe falling short for women right now?
Well, I think that we have so many opportunities to improve some of the conditions that harm women. For example, heart health is the number one killer. Heart disease is the number one killer of American women. And so there are, I think, opportunities for us to invest much more in research and screening, detection, in healthcare for women, for something that impacts so many.
Now, I also spoke with the senator about the war with Iran and military action abroad. Congress has been widely criticized for not doing enough to step in and check the authority of President Donald Trump. And here's what she had to say. You've said President Trump's actions in Iran have put Americans at risk. They've raised concerns about the president's credibility and trust. Now, since Congress holds the constitutional authority to declare war, how are you and your colleagues, working to reclaim some of that power and authority?
This president has acted without congressional support and approval and has done so with the support of my Republican colleagues. It's absolutely unconscionable that he's been allowed to do this and waging a war that, by the way, the cost of which is borne by working class people in this country. It is the working class who will suffer as a result of the military families who are losing loved ones. We've already lost 13. It is the working class who suffer with increased gas prices and energy and utility costs, who cannot afford their housing. The rich don't care. And that's who this president has served, is these billionaires. But this war is an expensive war that will cost lives and cost the livelihood of working class people in our country.